Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will start a new series of tutorial on ORCA. And ORCA is a quantum chemistry software that uses local basis, so it is suitable to calculate molecules. And in that sense it is complementary to quantum espresso, because quantum espresso uses plane wave and is more suitable to calculate periodic structure like crystal structure. And also for ORCA, it is not limited to DFT. You also have many choices of many-body perturbation or couple cluster, something like that. So it is quite powerful. And maybe in academics, the software called Gaussian is used more widely. But ORCA is free, yeah. So that's a very big advantage. So in this video I will show you how to download ORCA. You just Google ORCA DFT, and then the first one is ORCA forum. And if you don't have a username and password, you need to register here. You just need your email address. And then for me, I already done that, so I just log in. Okay. And then here you see the button downloads, and you can download the newest version. You can also download the 4.1.1. If you use Windows, I think the only option is this 4.1.1, because you see the Windows version. So it can run on a Mac, Windows, and Linux. Yeah. So in our case, we are using Linux. So in this case, it doesn't really matter which operating system you use. Yeah. So we will download these static libraries. You can also download the dynamic linked libraries. It's just that in the static libraries, the OpenMPI is already included. So it is more, let's say, it is more convenient, so that we don't have to compile other things. Okay, then I just download the first one and download and save file. Yeah. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how to download ORCA. So in the next video I will show you a simple calculation using ORCA. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.